Namaste dear students. This is the second video of block 3 cultivating crops. The objective of this video is to make you understand the difference between Kharif and Rabi crops. Dear students, do you know when do farmers sow different seeds like rice, wheat, cotton and maize? What do you think is the best time to sow rice seed or wheat seed or cotton seed? And why do farmers choose some specific time to sow these seeds? So let's try to find out the answer of these kinds of questions. Do you know there are certain kinds of crops which are sown in rainy season only, and certain other kinds of crops which are sown in winter season only? The crops which are sown in rainy season and harvested in winter season are called as Kharif crops. Kharif is an Arabic word which means autumn. So these crops are usually grown in June and harvested in October or November. These crops are highly dependent on rainfall. These crops needs lots of water to grow. Examples are paddy, maize, soybean, groundnuts and cottons. So here in this picture you can see there are some crops which are grown in rainy season and they are known as Kharif crops. So here you can see a paddy field which is filled with lots of water and people are sowing the small seedlings of paddy crop. Paddy means rice. So here you can see that the rice crop needs large amount of water to grow. Next is the Rabi crops. The crops sown in the winter season are called as Rabi crops. These crops are usually sown in the month of October or November and harvested in the month of March or April. These crops are not affected by rainfall. They don't depend on the rainfall. And the example of these crops are wheat, gram, pea, mustard, linseed. So here in this picture you can see that there are some crops which are grown in winter season and they are known as Rabi crops. These are mustard, wheat, peas, grams. So dear students, let's note it down that there are some crops which are sown in or grown in both the season, and jowar is an example of that kind of crop. So let's have a recap. In this video, we have understood that there are two types of crops. One is Kharif crop and the other one is Rabi crop. Kharif crops are sown in rainy season and the examples are groundnut, maize, cotton, etc. And the Rabi crops are the crops sown in the winter season and the examples are gram, bean, pulses, etc. Now there is a quiz time. Let's complete the table. First table is for Kharif crop and the second table is for Rabi crop. The second question is, what do you think what will happen if we sow rice in the winter season? Thank you and have a nice day.